Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you the Titan Survey Salesforce architecture so you can understand what is created when you create a survey in Titan. And all of these objects are automatically created. You do not need to configure Salesforce integration to use Titan surveys, and you are still able to get really great data out of it. So here I am in the Titan Survey app. So after I installed this Titan Survey app from the App Store, I was able to go into it from right here. And of course, you can add these objects to your own applications as well. The first thing that I wanted to cover whenever your survey is created is the survey object. So let's go into one of our survey objects or surveys records. You can see that it is considered Titan survey at the top here. And this is the survey. There are several other things that are created automatically for you to help you track your survey responses very efficiently. So let's dive into that. So related objects that are created whenever you create your survey are survey questions. So each survey question will be created. So you can see what is your first name and then thank you, and that's a reference to whatever they answered in the first question. What is your last name? I have two survey questions on this survey. Survey distributions is if I published it and distributed it, then you'll be able to see when that happened and how many of that distribution, how many responses I got back. Okay, and then if you go into, so we have surveys taken, that is each survey taker or survey response that we get. So let's go into the survey taker object. You can see that it's considered a survey taker. And this can either be like a contact or other object in Salesforce. It can be related to another object through these fields here. Or it can be just related to an IP address. So if somebody from the same IP address were to take a survey, then it can recognize the survey taker based on the IP address. So when we click on related, we can see their answers to, or the responses to those survey questions. So each time they respond to a question, there's a new object created. And then the survey tracking lets you know where they are in the survey taking process. So this person has completed the survey. If they had not completed the survey, then it could be that they just opened the survey, or they opened it from the email, or it's in progress, or it's verified. But once it's completed, this object gets updated to completed. You also can see their IP address here, and you can even see how they accessed the survey. So really cool stuff here. And let's take it back a step because we also have the question responses. So the question responses, this is where the stuff that you're looking for, all your answers are going to be stored in the survey question response object. And the survey question response object is linked to both the survey question, which is really important, and it's related to the survey taker. So these three objects right here, survey taker, survey question, and survey question responses, are the bare minimum that you need in your reports to be able to see who answered what to what, and be able to analyze what the outcomes of your survey are. Of course, you can also use other things such as distribution and maybe different responses if you're seeing change over time. But my reports are usually the survey taker with survey question and survey question responses. Those are the three, I guess, big objects I think I need for reporting on my survey responses. Okay, so those are the main things that I really wanted to show you. Let's take it back to the top and just make sure that I covered everything. Survey question, yeah. Those are like the main objects. You also have a really cool tool called Titan Analytics right here, which is just a dashboard that we put together for you guys just to give you some general feedback on the on your surveys that are coming in as people complete them. Of course, you can add to this and make your own dashboards or reports or charts to be shown here. But I just wanted to show you that is also an option to use your Titan Analytics. Of course, build out your own reports so you can get some feedback on the survey results. But I think the most important part about this is that none of these objects needed to be configured for you to get your results out of your surveys. Of course, you can have other Salesforce pushes happen so that you're able to update things on your like standard and custom objects. But for you to get your results fast, Titan made it very easy by creating these own objects for you that are created automatically whenever you create surveys using Titan Survey. So I hope this video helped. Of course, let us know if you have any questions related to the Salesforce architecture using Titan Surveys. I'm really glad that you watched this video, and I hope it helps. Bye.